In this SleekBio review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about SleekBio. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll provide a discounted link so you can get your money's worth. Now, SleekBio is a software that allows you to display all your social media content in one bio page. So, we'll go straight to the profile picture. You can add any profile you want. We've got our logo here, which is nice simple. We've got our name as well, opulent tools. You can also edit this name if you want to as well, but this is nice and we'll keep that. Then you go here and you've got a whole list of buttons that provide links to different sites. So this link URL, we can actually put a website we might want. Let's say we want to put the Pcashmore Mashable blog. We can see the image would be provided. Granted, it's a good website, but we can add our own if we wanted to. We'll put a picture of just a wolf because randomized image, if the blog was about wolves, it'd work. But essentially, it'd be nice to have your own picture for that. And then you've got the description, which you could edit yourself as well. Click tick, and that's created for you. We have the social media buttons as well, which essentially provide links to all the different social media channels you have, from Facebook to Twitch to Instagram, all over. And that's the only thing we'll really put there. But if you had your other social medias, you can put them all right there. We'll then go to our SendFox subscription form. And we don't have a SendFox subscription right now, but if you did, you can easily connect it right there and get people to click to your subscription. The same applies with Tidy Account as well. We don't have a Tidy Account, but if you had one, you can definitely connect it here and let people get taken to your booking page. Now, we can stylize the page as well to make it more colorful. Click here. We can go from white to red, as that pops out quite well. You can add background image as well if you want to, but we'll stick with the red and go to our block text. We'll stick with the black as well, although the other colors available, but black works well with the red. So here we have it. It's a simple red. It just displays. You can colorize your page if you wanted to. Then you go to embedded content. Here you can put in a video link for people to watch that displays your services. So we got this right here. This is essentially just a video on how to start a blog. None of ours, but we'll click it. Very popular video, and you can see how it appears here nice and large. We then have the blog, the logo, and the video. And yeah, you can make this site more colorful as well. Then you can copy this link to any of your social media pages displayed here. Simply click on them and sign in, and you put the link in your bios. You then go here for your analytics. This will display who's clicked on what for your bio. We don't have any analytics right now as we've just started, but this is where you could essentially find all your information. You go back on the page and re-edit anything you think fits. So that is SleekBio. I think it's a very fast and efficient website. It's very convenient to use as well. You can really send your forms and your pages very quickly to others with your bio page. Though it could use more features, but overall it's a good software in general. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.